So guys, we all know that policies are the way to get things done around here, and nothing has been exploding recently more than transportation policies. And at the forefront of that has been EVs and the micromobility, e-bikes. So I've been really curious to know, can e-bikes really be a lot of people car replacements? I mean, not everybody, but maybe 50%, especially in cities, one like Washington, D.C. Not even 50, maybe that's too ambitious. Maybe 40%, I don't know. But can it be done? So to further this curiosity, we're gonna head to the DC Armory and let Shiana take it from here.
Hey everyone, we're stepping in for Lavale today. I'm Shiana. So we're here at the Happy Healthy Homes Fair in DC. We're at the DC Armory, and Electrify DC is hosting it. It's all about how the individual and families can actually make their homes more sustainable and cleaner for the environment. So right now we're in the e-bike tasting area where we get to try out a bunch of different types of bikes. So we have cargo bikes, we have passenger bikes, and then like individual e-bike. I already had a crash course test, so I might not get a cargo bike anytime soon, but the individual bikes are really cool, and they even have cute helmets to go with it. So yeah, we're gonna try out a few e-bikes and then move over to other sections where we might try out some induction stoves, check out some really cool insulated windows, and you know, promote the idea of energy efficiency and electrifying our homes.
All right, so there's a lot of cool bikes around. Shiana and I are gonna go check them out and see which one we like. First, check this one out. Go. Have you seen that brand or heard of it before? So this one looks like, so there are multiple classes of e-bikes, 1 through 3, and this one looks more like a class, watch your back. This one looks more like a class 3 e-bike, which means it can go up to 28 miles per hour on throttle and throttle assist. These are pretty much one of the fastest ones. Most bikers you see in the bike lanes around the city are usually riding in the class 2 e-bikes, and those ones goes up to 20 miles an hour. Anyways, let's check out the other brands and see which one's our favorite. So one of the vendors that really caught our attention here is Strightly E-bikes, solely because Strightly E-bikes are one of the only bike shops in the Northern Virginia, DC area that specializes exclusively in electric bicycles. And they're family owned. What's better than that? So one of the managers there at the booth was very kind to give us a quick demo, and we got to ride on one of my favorite brands, Velotric bike.
All right, so you're gonna stick your foot right in front.
Yep.
And it'll just pop up like that.
All right.
And then what you want to do is you want to have the driver get in first.
Okay.
Right? And then once he's in and stable, then you can jump in.
Okay.
So you have your speedometer up here. That's your odometer. It tells you how far you've gone, your battery. And then this is super key right here is the assist level. Right now it's set to 0.
Yep.
There's buttons right here, up and down, that'll allow you to change that all the way up to 5. And what that dictates is your pedal assist. So when you're pedaling, it'll help you. But then also you have a throttle here as well. So if you don't want to pedal and you just want to hit the button, it'll also propel you using the electric assist.
Awesome.
Okay.
As you can see behind me, I have my Velotric in Mango. Love that bike, and one of the most quality e-bikes out there in the market. So anyway, I'm really curious to see how these incentives are going to play out in the long run and make e-bike adaptation a thing in the US, especially in the DMV area. That's it for now, guys. Peace.